So I've been playing around with the Note Echo MIDI effect device, which in Live 11 is now in the kind of core MIDI effects in the browser. And I found it's a cool alternative to something like an arpeggiator for creating kind of complex sequences out of otherwise pretty simple material. So I've got a basic melody playing here, and I've got a series of note echoes set up in different ways to show you what I found. So the first one here is set up in a really simple way. We will hear, once I turn it on, that the notes will just repeat as expected. So much like an audio echo device. When it gets interesting is when we start to play around with the pitch control here. So on the second one, I have that set to 5 semitones, which means each repeat will be 5 semitones above the last repeat. So turning that on, we start to get kind of a new melody being generated. Keep in mind I've got a scale device after this, keeping it all in key. When it gets even more interesting is when you start to chain together multiple instances of the Note Echo device. So in this one here, I've got it set to a different pitch amount, different time. And when I turn that on, you'll hear that we start to get kind of these like chordal things happening.